Locked out of your Garena account and seeing that frustrating your password cannot be reset at this time message. Don't panic. I'm going to walk you through some quick and easy solutions to get you back in the game. First, let's clear Garena's cache. On your phone, find your Settings app, then tap on Apps or Application Manager. This might be slightly different depending on your phone model. Scroll through the list until you find the Garena app. Once you found it, tap on it. Now, tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Again, the wording might vary a little. Here's the key, tap on Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data unless you're absolutely sure you remember your login details. Clearing data will completely reset the app and you'll need to log back in. Now, go back to the Garena app and try the password reset process again. Hopefully, clearing the cache has resolved the issue. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to contact Garena's customer support directly. You can find their contact information on their website or within the app's help section. They can investigate your account specifically. When contacting support, make sure to include your Garena username, the email address linked to your account, and a detailed description of the error message you're seeing. The more information you provide, the faster they can help you. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps got you back into your Garena account. Good luck, and get back in the game.